I'm almost out of battery. I hope this keeps recording. Okay, so what we have here is I pulled the valve cover off because I wanted to confirm that there was oil getting into the camshaft, but you're seeing that. And there wasn't, so I ran it for, what seemed like a long enough time. I should have pumped up. I had already pre-lubricated it with some assembly lube just to make sure, but it clearly wasn't getting any oil. I even unscrewed the oil pressure sending unit, nothing was happening. So I figured, well, I don't know how long this thing has had oil in it, what happened. So anyway, I pulled the oil pump off, which is right down here. Pulled that off, primed it, just poured some oil in it, and spun it back and forth a few times. And now we seem to be good to go. It's good fresh supply of oil getting to all the cam lobes. Well, one of them wasn't. And this is internally, there's a weird wear on that cam, which I don't really understand. It looks like it's not on the nose, it's on the round part of it. I hope that's not a problem. I'll take a look into that. I don't know if that cam's wrecked or not. But anyway, it's interesting that the one that, maybe it was because it wasn't getting oil. I don't know. Maybe. Anyway, I poked through it with a stick, and got the oil to come out now. So I'm going to go ahead and do a compression check. I still have to swap out the distributor thing. I'm a little nervous about the cam. If that cam's bad, then I got to get a new cam. I don't know if the cam's any different for a turbo model or not. I have extra parts around, but again, it's not a turbo, so I'm just not too sure about the status. You can see how black this thing is. I mean, that's some serious sludge, carbon buildup. So I think the engine might have been shorted a few oil changes, but like I said, we'll see how that goes. The next thing we're going to do, I'll give you a quick test run up just so you can see the oil system working. Put my little starter. I'm not starting it with the key start this time because I don't want to fire the injectors off or do anything else with it. So nothing's hooked up to work, including the oil pressure sending switch. If I could disable, if I try to start it with the distributor not hooked up, oh, it's going to try to run the fuel pump. That would be the problem. When I'm in the start mode, the fuel pump would try to run. But anyway, so if you take a close eye right in this area here, and you should see the oil start to pump out of the internally oiled cam. So you can see the oil here coming out of the cam holes now. I don't know, I'm gonna have to get another opinion on this. That's definitely rough right there. But like I said, if you look at the nose, take a look at the nose. All right, right